Today we had a call out to Appolo Gym in Coventry to service their Stairmaster step mill and inspect any other potential issues. Upon arrival, we discovered some serious faults that required more time than expected. But after a few hours, we got the job done. We made sure everything was back in top condition, so gym users can get back to their workouts without interruption. Keeping your equipment well maintained is key to a smooth running gym. Need a repair or service? Get in touch with us today.